Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is we are here on Silang Cavite and we have here a property, and ito po siya with development po. Ayos na po yung kanyang concrete road. So any house design po siya, no required house design. So meron po tayo dito 4 lots, and po meron pong tatlong corner na 150 square meter, isang inner lot. So this property is around 4 minutes to Tagaytay, yung welcome to Tagaytay boundary. So ayan po siya, no? And from the highway, Aguinaldo Highway is around 2 minutes lang po siya. So ayan yung Palace in the Sky, guys. Ayan. So ito po yung project natin na to, is ayan lang yung Barangay Road mismo. So tapos papunta ng highway sa Aguinaldo is just around 2 minutes. Ayan na mismo yung Aguinaldo Highway. Ayan. So this property is actually very cold. This is around 490 meters above sea level. So dyan na po halos yung